All right. My name is Mark Ryan, and here we are in the Google Cloud Console. We're going to go through the process of trying out Gemini. Now, Gemini was introduced in the Google Cloud Console through the context of Vertex AI on December 13th, so just a little over a week ago now. And I'm going to show how you can use Gemini in the context of Vertex AI and take it right from the beginning. So what we have here now is a brand new project. I just created it. So the first thing I want to do is go to Vertex AI. So I can type Vertex into the search bar and it'll take me there. Now, because I have not used Vertex AI in this project yet, this is a brand new project, the first thing it'll ask me to do is to enable all recommended APIs. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to go for a few moments. Great. Now the APIs have all been enabled. And if you look at the navigation bar here on the left, if you've used Vertex AI before, and there you'll see a number of changes here with the December 13th launch. One of them is a brand new tab here, multimodal, and it's new. So let's take a look. And what you'll see here in this multimodal tab are some of the aspects of Gemini. So Gemini is the model that's being used behind the scenes here. Let's take a look at this example, extracting text from images. So we'll see an example here of how Gemini is able to extract text from an image. So we can see that the prompt here is read the text in this image. Let's take a closer look at the image, and it has the text. The best dreams happen when you are awake. Notice it's in script with all caps for happen. So let's see what Gemini does. We'll click on submit. And we can see the result is exactly what we wanted. The best dreams happen when you are awake. So let's try bringing in an image of our own here. So we can click on Insert Media here, and we'll go down to Drive and take a look at one of the images here. So let's bring this one in. And what we're going to ask is, what is happening in this image? Let's take a closer look at the image. So it's a stick figure. I drew this myself. A stick figure saying, "Who ate my apple?" And another stick figure saying, "Not me." And there is family circus style, "Not me," taking a bite of the apple. So it's a pretty complex set of actions happening here. And let's see what Gemini does with that. It says the first panel shows a person with an apple. The second panel shows a girl saying she didn't eat the apple. The third panel shows a monster eating the apple and saying it wasn't him. So it's not completely perfect, but a pretty good interpretation of what happened in that complex, not exactly perfectly drawn example. So we'll just leave that for now. And we're going to take a look at some of the other things that Gemini is capable of doing. So here is an example of Gemini describing video content. So here is a short video, somebody sinking a basket, and it's in. So let's see what Gemini does. The prompt here is describe this video sequence by sequence. We're going to click submit. It does take a few moments to interpret the video. And it's back. It's saying a young man is playing basketball on an outdoor court. He dribbles the ball between his legs, then behind his back. Then he takes a few steps forward and shoots the ball into the basket. He makes the shot and celebrates by throwing his hands up in the air. Pretty good description of what happens. So let's try going through this now, and we're going to take a look at one of our own videos here. So let's clear out the prompt and take another look here. So we have a short video here, just a few seconds, of a cat. So let's see what it can do with this. And we're going to say, describe what is happening in this video. And here it describes it as a gray cat is lying on the floor and rolling around. So those are just a couple of examples of what you can do with Gemini in the context of Vertex AI. This is available today. You can experiment with Gemini interpreting what's in images as well as videos. It's very easy to do in the context of Vertex AI. I've shown you how to do this from a standing start. Take a look at it, try it out. I think you'll be impressed.